Right. So good morning, guys. Welcome to Narayana Tech House. So, guys, as part of our Django templates, okay, we'll discuss today JavaScript. In the previous videos, we have developed a small project by using HTML and Bootstrap. Now, let's talk about JavaScript, guys, today. What is JavaScript and what is the importance of JavaScript and how to use JavaScript in our HTML documents. Okay, right. So, guys, let's talk about JavaScript. JavaScript. Generally, lot of people think that there is a relation between Java and JavaScript, right? Java versus JavaScript. Some people think that Java is the first version, JavaScript is the advanced of Java. No. Between these two, there is no dependency, there is no relation also, guys. Java is different completely and the JavaScript is different completely. No dependency, no relation between these two. That's why don't think that to work with JavaScript, we should know Java compulsorily. No, not required. Okay, right. Now, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is guys, observe now. High level, we say that same like Python. High level, lightweight interpreted programming language. Lightweight interpreter programming language. Programming language, guys. High level, lightweight interpreter programming language. All of you, okay? Interpreter means what? Generally, some programming languages run by Java compiler and some programming languages run by interpreter, guys. Like Python, JavaScript also run by an engine. That is what interpreter. Python, JavaScript, both are run by interpreter. Let's take C, C++, Java. Those things run by which one? Compiler. It's also a programming language, guys. JavaScript also which one? A programming language. So previously we discussed about HTML. HTML is also language, but that is not programming language. But in this case, it is what programming language means. In the JavaScript, it has the concepts same like Python language, almost same like Python, like variables, constants, and operators, data structures, functions, classes, right, and conditional statements, oops. So like that, whatever concepts are there in our Python, almost, not all as it is, almost similar to in JavaScript also. The people who knows Python, they can easily learn which one? JavaScript, guys. The people who learn Python, for them JavaScript is very easy, right? And the JavaScript runs directly on the browser, guys. Directly on the browser. Suppose observe now. See, this is one Python program. If execute, it runs on the same which one? Python, guys, right? Python file only. Both are Python files. The program where we wrote is a Python file. The program where it is running also a Python file. Both are Python files. But here our JavaScript we write in one file, normal file, but it executes directly where? On the browser. All of you, okay? It executes where? It executes directly on the browser. On the browser, that's all. Directly on the browser, guys. And sir, what is the use of this programming language, sir? What is the use of this programming language, right? Generally, see, it is mainly used, guys. It is mainly used to make web pages interactive or interactive, comma, dynamic and and user friendly, guys. Okay, user friendly, that's all of you are clear now. It's mainly used by to make web pages interactive. Suppose if you take any website, guys, if you take any website, we can have multiple web pages, right? So to make interactive of these web pages, we use what, JavaScript. The same time to make a dynamic pages, guys, at the same time user friendly pages, to make it user friendly. User friendly means what? Suppose if I click on one button, then I want some reaction, I want some response, guys. Okay, if I click anywhere, then I need some response. If I click anywhere, I need to change the color, I need to increase the zoom size, right? So like that, what we require here, we require some dynamic nature plus user friendly nature. That's why. So what we use? We use JavaScript, guys. Okay, right. And to make a complete web page, general, guys, before JavaScript, we required HTML, and then CSS, guys. CSS. If both are there, on these two, just we can extra what we do, we add which one, JavaScript, guys. Okay, and we can add bootstrap, guys, here, bootstrap like this, and then JavaScript, adding the JavaScript. So if we add one by one, then it improves the nature, the quality of the page, guys. Suppose observe now, HTML is there. HTML only decide the structure. That's all HTML means. Decide the structure, guys. On that one, if I add CSS bootstrap, then it improves the look and feel of the web page. Look and feel means what? The presentation part, guys. Only presentation part. So with these three, so implementing the structure, and for the structure adding the makeup over. But to make it interactive, through suppose I am the user, I want interactive very well, I want more interaction here. At that time, what we should add? We should add compulsorily JavaScript, guys. If the application should be used by user with user friendly nature, compulsory what we add? We should add JavaScript. JavaScript is mandatory compulsorily. Okay, right. Now see, in case of styles, we used style tag, guys, right? Style tag we used. Below also we used style closing tag, right? Like this for CSS. In HTML document only. For JavaScript we use a script tag, guys. What we use a script tag, and then closing script tag also. Close tag, that's all of right. And this all in the HTML document only. It is in HTML. This is what, closing HTML document, guys, right? I'll observe here. So in the HTML document only, HTML tag only, generally we have head, body, right? And that only we use styles with the style tag. We use JavaScript with the script tag, guys. So we write the styles here. We write what, JavaScript here. JavaScript within the script tag. All of you. Okay, right. Now, so what do we do here? Let us try to do a small program, initial program, by using our JavaScript. Yes, let me open this one. So guys, this is our previous project. We done completely end to end, guys, with HTML and bootstrap only, without CSS all. Okay, right. Now I just add another file, guys. Another file. I just add another file. I give the file name. Suppose let's take script.html, guys, for example. Script.html, or let me take javascript.html like this. Now I just take normally HTML file, that one, And inside the body guys, observe now, inside the body what I am going to do here. So in this one I just take only script tag guys, just a basic example here. Script tag, what is the type? The type is the which one? Text type, JavaScript type, that is okay, right? And guys observe here, what do I do now? I will take one h2 tag here. H2 tag, I just take hello students, like this. Hello students guys, okay, I am giving hello students like this. That's all. Now below that one I'll take one button also guys. I have done now. I take the one button tag, where below the h2 tag I have taken the button tag, and I give the one text here, click here or click me like this, click me, all of you. So see, these two are part of HTML, right? Okay, h2 tag and body tag. And this is what now I am going to write JavaScript. Which one? Okay, JavaScript guys. Now observe here, inside the JavaScript I am going to define the one function. I am defining one function, and the function name is, suppose let's take something, change text like this guys. Change text, open the bracket, close the bracket, all of you. Okay, now so I take here document dot get element by id, get element by id of. See, what is my intention here actually? Initially what will display? Hello students will display initially, right? When I click the button, I want to change this text guys. I want to change the text, right? All of observe now. When I click this button, initially what will display? Hello students. When I click the button, I want to change as a my dear friends. I want to change as a my dear friends, right? Okay. So I want to just change the only text between h2 tags guys, between h2 tags, that's all, right? So I want the same h2 tags only, means same size I want, but here only the text I want to change here, the text only I want to change, right? That's why what do I do guys now? For this h2 I am going to give an id equal to I am giving something text. Now see, I am giving the just to txt guys, any name or choice, or message or hello or hi, like this, or choice anyone. Now see, this is what I want to change, right? It is part of which one? Part of h2 tag. How to identify h2 tag? I am taking id equal to text, right? Id equal to text. Now get element by id, which id? Text id. There what I want to display the content, the text, we use what? We use inner HTML. That's default attribute. I want to display what there? I want to display my dear friends. I want to display my dear friends. That's all. That's all guys. All of you can observe here. So now I repeat again. Initially what will display? If you run the program and the browser displays what initially? Hello, displays hello students, display like this. It displays hello students like this. Okay, and below that one button will display. What is the button? Tell me here. What is the button here? The button is click me like this. Button will display. This is what guys our HTML will do. This is what done by which one? Our HTML. Now when I click this button, then I want to execute this function. All of you, when I click on this button, see that name what I am saying here. When I click on this button, where I click, I am going to click on this button. Click on this button. All of you are what I am saying here. I want to click on this button. Then at that time I want to call this function. So that means when I click here, what I want now? Observe now. On click, guys. What is the name? On click equal to what you want to call? I want to call this function here. On click like this. That's all. Now I repeat again. Complete explanation. All of observe here. First, in the body, this is the all part of the body. In the body, first displays. What displays here? Hello, students will display initially. Displays hello students. Displays like this. Now this is what display text, and then what is there here? Button, right? The button is there. That button, what will display button here? Click me. It displays button. Okay. This is what. Because of which one, guys? These two H2 and the button tags. Now, see, if I click on this button, then this function will call, guys. Behind this, what is there? This function will call. Means this is the function calling. And the same here definition is there. To define the function, then we are using which one? Script tag, guys. Script tag. All of you. What we use here? Script tag we use, because this function is part of which one? JavaScript code. This is JavaScript code, okay? This is what JavaScript code, guys, okay? Right. Now, when I call this one, it will call this, it executes here, guys. It executes, and see, document dot get element by ID dot text. Means, see, while discussing our CSS, we have selectors, right? Selectors, guys. ID selector, class selector, element selector, like that. It's also a selector in the bootstrap. So JavaScript, right? Wherever text ID is there, that content is going to replace which content here? This content, guys. Means, my dear friends, will replace this hello students data if I click this one. That's all, right? Now let us try this one, guys. Now I save this one, guys. Once observe now. Run the program. Sorry, the same previous one is coming because our new template file is not connected in the that views file, guys. Okay, let me add that one in the views file. I'll go to views file. What's our file name? I've taken the file name, I think JavaScript, okay? JavaScript.html, right? Right, let's observe now. Observe here. I am clicking here, guys. But it's not changing, right? But what I want now, when I click this one, then I want to change. Okay. Change to which one, guys? Observe now. JavaScript, right? I think this one should end with a semicolon, guys. Let me save this one. Let's go here. Let's refresh once. Still not changed, right? So we have taken the h2 and a button tag, button type. Okay. It is all not a problem, guys. Here, suppose if I remove that one, and script and type is what, JavaScript. That is okay. Let me take simple script tag, guys, without any extra attributes, and we use function keyword, guys, in JavaScript. Write that to write our JavaScript functions. We use a function keyword. We use function keyword, guys. Okay. And document dot get element by id, correct name only. Oh, I think here, guys, see, actually this name is the which type, it's the camel type, guys. Camel case means what, see here how many words are there. See, get element by id, 4 words, right? 4 guys here, 4 words are there. So camel case means what, the first word completely lowercase, second starting upper, like element capital E by capital B, and this small like this. It should be like this, guys, but I have taken here capital D, right? Capital D. So let me take the capital D here. Let's go now. I refresh here. Right, comes, guys, now all of you. Just refresh once, you can see now. I refresh once, then it's all which one, the initial text, guys. Okay, when I click the button here, when I click the button, immediately behind the button, what is calling now? What's calling here? Change text is calling. That is there here. That is there. It is calling the right at the time. It get the element by ID. You get the h2 element by which ID? Text ID. In that one, the content replace by what here? This content, guys. For that, what we use? We use inner HTML to replace the content. Inner HTML is used here to replace the content, guys. All of you. We're clear now, guys, right? Okay, this is the just a small example, guys. So, guys, directly I'm using the functions here. I'm using functions. If we start discussing again JavaScript, all concepts, so it takes 1 month time only JavaScript. It takes minimum 1 month, guys, to discuss again from beginning onwards. What is the variable? What is the operator? What is the data structure? Almost, guys, whatever you done in the Python, here also almost same, guys. Just only the syntax will change sometimes. Right? But almost the same definition, same thing only. Okay, which one? The functions or that all. Internally, these names will be different again, guys. Here, these all are completely different from Python, and this is which one belongs to only our Bootstrap only. Sorry, guys, JavaScript only. Okay, right. So, guys, this is the basic example of by using JavaScript, guys. JavaScript. So every time what we do, guys, in the body tag, this is the body tag, right? Body tag. In the body tag, first we write the required all HTML. In that we add all Bootstrap. We add, see, this is what, guys, HTML. These are HTML, and we add the Bootstrap also, guys. Here we add the Bootstrap also. Initially in the body tag, and above we add required CSS. We add required styles. We add here required styles, and in the body below the HTML content, we take the which one, JavaScript, guys. JavaScript. The JavaScript you can take either below HTML or above HTML, wherever, no problem, guys. We can take anywhere HTML script below the HTML tags or above the HTML tags. We can take anywhere. Guys. Okay, right. Now let us try one more example, guys. We'll try now one more example One more example. See, because now we'll see just one or two basic examples, guys, so that you understand how it is executing. Then next video, what we do, we try to implement a full-length example, guys, a full-length project by using again completely HTML and Bootstrap and CSS and JavaScript. All of you. Just I show you in this video two examples. Two examples. Okay, this is one example, guys. Again, I remove this all up to script. I remove, right? Or else it will be same as it is. We'll take another file. So in the next video, we'll take the full length project, guys. That will be more interactive and more presentation is also very more, guys. Now here no presentation, right? Very basic here, nothing. No colors or no styles or no borders, nothing. But the next video, what we do, by including all HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript, we implement a full length project, guys. Full length project. Okay, right. So now I will go with one more template, guys. Let's see one more example. Let's take suppose script 2.html, something like this. Now let us try to implement, guys, here a simple calculator, guys. A simple calculator. Simple. Just let us try, guys, here. HTML coming right to the body. We come here. Now let's observe here. Inside the body, I will take some again H2 tag, something like this, normal text, guys. Here I am going to implement what a simple calculator example or project, something like this. It is over, right? So to perform the calculations, we require compulsory two input boxes to give two names, right, guys? Two numbers. So I take one input box here. In that one, we give the number like 10 plus 20, like that. One number we give, and for that one, I'll take one ID, guys. Here ID equal to, let's take suppose number 1. ID equal to number 1, and we don't want any name and default value. We'll take what, guys? Here we'll take a placeholder. I take what? A placeholder. I just type here enter first two number, means without any label, guys. I am taking here without label. We are just taking only two input boxes, and then we are giving the placeholder, guys. Placeholder, like enter first number, enter last number, like this. Now one more input, and it is the number type. ID equal to number 2. Okay, and then placeholder, enter second number, like this. Enter suppose second number, first number, like this, guys. Now here what happens actually, see, like this, first input box, all of you, and this is what second input box, guys, two boxes, and below I want 4 buttons. like the names, add button, okay, add button, subtraction button, multiplication button, and then divide button, guys, like this. I want to take four buttons below that one. So this is what add button, right? Add button, and this is what sub, right? Sub button. This is what mul, and this is what div, like this. And we give suppose some 10, guys, and I am giving something 20 here. If I click add button, add button, then I want, see, behind the add, I will give the one function calling, guys. Previously behind click me button, we called one function, like a change text, right? We call one function, guys. Now behind this button, I will call one function. That is what something add function, guys. I call some function. What is the name? Add function. We call the add function, like this, guys. And behind the sub button, I will call one more function. We should call separate functions, guys, not the same function all the times, because each button has a different functionality. Again, function sub, okay, like this. And again, when I call mul button, when I call mul, right, mul button, then I will call, when I click the mul button, I will call one more function, guys. That is what here function, mul button, mul function like this. And then same for division also. I call 4 functions here, guys. I will call 4 functions. 4 functions. Okay. In each function, suppose when I click the add button, in this function, what do? I call the first number 10, I call the 20, then a plus b, like that, some result, guys. Okay, we do some result. And here also what we do, we call the first number and we call the second number we call, and then we subtract both. Here also call the first number, call the second number, then we have to multiply like this. Okay, right. Now in the same one, guys, inside the same below the buttons, below that input tags, I take the first button. Okay, I take the button tag. Now what I want here, this is what I want to display, yard, guys. One more button. This is what sub. One more button. This is what mul. One more button. This is what div, like this. Now behind each button, I will call the function. On click. What's function name here? Function name is add function, guys. And again on click, what's function name? Sub function. Again here on click, what's function name? Mul function. Again on click, what's function name? Div function, like this. All right, 4 buttons, guys. We have 4 buttons. Okay. And I will take one H3 tag, guys. H3 tag, I display result. Okay, result. I want this result here, guys. For this I give something id equal to what's id, result id, guys. Previously I had taken, right, text. Previously I have taken which one? You have observed now. Previously I have taken id text equal text, then hello students, right? Later what happened here? This text replaced by this text. Now what I want here? So later here I want to replace by what? Output, guys. When I click the 2 buttons, I want to display result some 30, 10 plus 20, 30, 30, 10t, like that. I want some output display here. That's why I'm taking this H3 tag. Now we start a script tag, guys. Okay, script tag. Script tag. What's first function here? Add function. What's first one? Add. Now we use function keyword to define the function add. Then so first what we do, guys, we'll take the 2 values from the user. Okay, so to take the 2 values, see, for every value given the one id, right? Id, guys, id here, number 1, number 2, right? So then what we do here, document dot get element by id of which one, guys? Tell me here. Display which one here? Number 1, right? Number 1. So means in this input box, guys, in this input box, from there, see, this side number 1 means what? Number 1 means what? It is identifying this input box, guys, right? Input box. But from that box, what I want now? I want the value. All of observe here. This is what identifying which one? Identifying this input box because of that number 1 ID. From the input box, what I want to get now? I want to get the value, right? I want to get the value. So we use what? Value function, guys. Use the value attribute to get the value, and that value we are going to convert into proper type, guys. Suppose for converting purpose, what we use? We are using here parse float. We use what? We use float, guys. We use the float. Correct spelling, float, and then that whatever value is coming here, that value assigned to one variable called the n1 variable, and the same thing for n2 variable also, guys. Okay, n2 variable also, but which one here? Here we use a num2. In Python, we don't declare the variable directly. We assign the value, right? We assign the value, guys. That's called dynamic nature, dynamic typing. Here also directly fetch the value from the input box assigned to n1. But before n1, n2, or before variables in JavaScript, we use a keyword called let keyword, guys. Which keyword we use? Let keyword we use. Let keyword, where keyword, a const keyword. Some types are there. Okay, that we'll see later, guys. Okay. So like that, what happened here? From the two input boxes, we fetch the values. Those values assigned to some variables, guys. Assigned to some variables. Okay, variables. That's all. This is what now add. Now those two values n1 and 2, we have to add, right? We have to add, guys. We have to add. After adding, like how to add n1 plus n2, right? n1 plus n2, we have to add. After adding, that result I want to replace. Which one I want to replace here, guys? Yes or no? Okay. These numbers we add. After adding, result replace where? Here. It's the tag. This is what identify which one again? Identify id result, right? id result, guys. Again here also same again. Document dot get element by id of what's the id there? What is the id we are giving there, right? Result. There what I want now? I want to replace this sum, right? Okay, that's why what we do generally, we use inner HTML. There what I want to replace? I want to replace result colon. Then I can give which one? This one, guys, like this. All of you. So what does it meaning? Observe now. What does it meaning? All of observe here. All of observe now. What does it meaning? See, this is what display first input box. It display second input box, right? And we have 4 buttons, guys. Okay. This is what add button, first button. Then this is what sub button. This is what null button. This is what div button. We have 4 buttons, guys, right? 4 buttons. Let's talk about first add button, right? Add button, guys. And I am giving how much now? I am giving 10. Sorry, I am giving 10, and I am giving what here? 20. 10, 20. Right. Now, guys, observe here. Allah observe now. So here in this input box, 10 is given. Here 20 is given. Okay, 20 is given. I click which button? Add, guys. Means this button, add button. If I click the add button, behind the add button, what is there? Add function is calling. Which function? Add function is calling. That will come here. And what is there here? Function add is there, right? Function add is there. In that function add, all of you. So observe now. What I am doing here? Observe now. So from this is for this text, for this input box. Okay. What is the id given here? Num1, right? Num1. So means behind input box, what is the id? Num1. So by using num1, I am getting the value. Get the value. So which one we used? The value function we used, guys. Num1 means what? Identifying this input box, entire box, input box. But from that box, what I want value. So we were taking the value, guys, right? That means taking the value and converting, and then that value 10 assigned to what now? Assigned to n1. Same. Next 20 assigned to what? Assigned to n2, guys, right? N2. Now this observe here. This 10 plus 20, I want display where? I want display in this place, right? And this h3 tag identify which one again? Identify id result, guys. Id result. Wherever id result is there, id result. This one. That content replaced by which one? Result. And this one n1 plus n2, guys. That means what? Result colon n1 plus n2, 10 plus 20, 30. This is what, guys, will replace here. This result replaced by result 30, so that it will display result 30 like this. And guys, observe now. Allah observe here. we have done only one button, guys. Okay, one button. Now the same thing I am going to implement for remaining all buttons, guys. Remaining function, sub function, mul function, div, like that. I am going to implement, right? Implement, guys. Observe now. So I think, guys, it's better. I just copy and paste here, guys. Same as it is. What we take the function name, we take the function name sub, right, and the same, this is what n1 minus n2, n1 minus n2, and this is what here mul, that is the mul, n1 into n2, n1 into n2, and one more, that is what div, that is the div, again n1 by n2, n1 by n2, that's all. All of you. Okay, right. And guys, actually if you observe here, some problem will come, guys. Some problem will come. What's the problem? The first number something 10, second number any other number, maybe 1, maybe 2, any one number, output will come. If second number is 0, then error will come, guys. Error will come. The second number should not be 0. If it is 0, some problem will come. That we'll see, guys, later. We'll implement that one. But as of now, guys, what is over? We have done completely this HTML and JavaScript, guys. Okay. Now I save this one. This HTML file we have to add in the views file. Okay. What is the name? Scripts are given the name. Right. Now let's go here. Let's refresh once. I am giving some 10. And I am giving some 5 here, okay, and then click add. How much coming here? 15. Now, guys, observe here. What do I do now? And I'll take one break, guys, here, so that the buttons will come in the new line. I'll take the one button, break, so that the buttons will be in the new another line, guys. Okay, another line. Yes, if you want, we can here also break. See, guys, here without any presentation, I am showing you. Okay, without any presentation, guys. And now first number I am taking that 10. Second number I am taking something 5. Div, how much coming here? 2 is coming. Okay. If second number is 0, you can see now. You can see, guys, what is there here? That output is not coming, guys. Output is not coming. Output is not coming here. So in this case, what do I do here? We implement here one for loop if condition, guys. We take one if condition. If n2 equal to 0, guys, then we display the message. What is the message? What is the message here? Okay, cannot divide by 0. That message will display, guys. That message will display when if it is a 0, right? 0, guys. Now for that one, here, right? Here only, guys. Okay, here only of taking the two numbers. If n2 equal to 0, here n2 equal to 0, right? 0. If it is 0, then what I want here? I want display message there only. So document dot okay, get element by id of the same result I want to replace. Okay, result dot inner html. Then what I want display there, I want display result like this. Sorry, here what is missed? Result. What result here? Like cannot divide by 0. Cannot divide by 0. All of you. That's what I want to display, guys. When if it is equal to 0, else in that else, guys, this is what I want display. Means this is what if that n2 not 0, guys, then that's what I want display. That's all of you. Let's see now. Let's go here. That's okay. If I give the 0, guys, see, cannot divide by 0. If not 0, any other number I am giving any other number, right? I can see some value is coming, guys. Some value is coming like this. All of you. So, guys, let me know. Everybody, is this clear now? How I have done this one? A simple calculator, guys. Just only by taking these 4 basic operations, I have done a simple project. So, guys, let me know. Is this clear now? Right. So, guys, this is the best examples just by using our HTML and JavaScript mainly here, right? In the next video, we will implement a little full-length project by using HTML and CSS, Bootstrap, and then with this JavaScript, guys. Okay. So, guys, please subscribe our channel Narayana Tech House and click on the bell icon to get the notification. And don't miss the videos, guys. These are very, very useful to become a full stack developer. Okay. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.